In the early 1900s, many scientists believed proteins were the genetic material. But after the Avery, McLeod, and McCarty experiment, DNA became a strong candidate. So in 1952, Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase performed an experiment using bacteriophages, viruses that infect bacteria. A bacteriophage has two main parts, DNA inside and a protein coat outside. They labeled the protein coat with radioactive sulfur-35 and the DNA with radioactive phosphorus-32. Then they allowed the phages to infect bacteria. After infection, they used a blender to remove the empty phage coats from the bacterial cells and then used centrifugation to separate the cells from the liquid. They found phosphorus-32 inside the bacterial cells, but sulfur-35 stayed outside. This showed that DNA entered the bacteria and directed the formation of new viruses. So Hershey and Chase concluded that DNA is the genetic material.